Here's a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. With 4 doors and legendary off-road capability, the world opens up to endless possibilities. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: manual transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, leather steering wheel, Uconnect with Bluetooth, external memory control, front and rear tow hooks, 2 USB ports, and Pentastar engine. Road & Track puts forth it's a far better everyday vehicle, safer and more civilized, roomier and more comfortable, without sacrificing one bit of its legendary off-road ability. The Jeep life fits your life. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.